So Hallie's birthday was on Tuesday, was it not, Will?
Mm-hmm.
And we're not going to blame anybody, but somebody forgot to tell us that it was a birthday and feel a bit snide. So decides to surprise her with some cupcakes, because Hallie loves cupcakes. There's Occasion Cakes, the creative cake company. These are the people that have done our bespoke Tim Marner. Not ours, the Hallies. Go on, sweetheart. Go on. Bless you. If you ring the bell at Occasion Cakes, they take ages to come down because they're all upstairs like little elves making the little cupcakes, right? So just be patient with them. There she is. You didn't ring me, did you? Nice to ring you. Hey, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Beth.
Are they okay for you?
Oh, look at that absolute gem. Beth, talk to me about the cake. Sell it into me. Because I feel like I've just got a cupcake, but I want to know.
It's got buttercream inside and then it's buttercream on top as well.
Good cow. Love that, Beth.
There you
Beth,
go.
you've been an absolute gem.
Alright.
Thank you for doing that, mate.
See you later.
See you later.
You're not having my balloon. Is that what he said?
I don't think so.
Occasion Cakes in Bolton. Yeah? Come up trumps every time.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Hallie. Hallie, it's your
I'm scared. I'm scared that it's not going to be
Go on.
something normal. Oh, they look good.
Happy birthday, Hallie. Hallie, it's your birthday.
Can you just say thank you to Occasion Cakes for turning round?
Thanks, Cajun Cakes.
No, occasion, not Cajun Cakes. Occasion Cakes.
Occasion Cakes.